In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Authenticator app. The word reset can mean two different things here, so I'll walk you through both. One option is a full reset of the app on your phone, which wipes everything and makes it behave like a fresh install. The other option is resetting your multi-factor authentication from your Microsoft account, which is what you do when the issue is with sign-ins rather than the app itself. If you want a complete app reset on Android, start on your phone's settings. Open Settings, then go to Apps. Find Microsoft Authenticator in the list and tap it. Next, go to Storage. Here, tap Clear Data and then Clear Cache. Confirm any prompts you see. When you reopen Microsoft Authenticator, it will be like starting from scratch. Keep in mind, this erases all code stored in the app. Before you do this, make sure you have another way to sign into your accounts, such as SMS or email verification, or that your organization has a recovery process. If you're using a work or school account, your IT team may need to re-enable your multi-factor authentication after a full app reset. Also note that menu names can vary slightly by Android version, but the path is generally the same. Settings, Apps, Authenticator, Storage, then Clear Data and Cache. If your problem is login related, maybe approvals aren't coming through, the app is tied to an old device, or sign-in keeps failing, the correct route is to reset your MFA registration from your Microsoft account. On a browser, go to mysignins.microsoft.com, security info, and sign in. There, look for your listed sign-in methods and remove the old Authenticator device. After removing it, set up Authenticator again from the same page by adding it back as a method and following the on-screen prompts on both your phone and the website. This process forces a clean re-registration of the app and typically resolves issues tied to outdated or mismatched devices. A few important cautions before you start. Resetting the app on your phone removes all login codes stored there, so you could be locked out if you don't have backup methods ready. For personal accounts, double-check that SMS or email verification is available. For work or school accounts, plan ahead and be ready to contact your IT support if MFA needs to be re-enabled after the reset. To recap, use the app reset when the app itself is broken and you need a clean slate, and use the security info page when your sign-in is the problem and you need to re-register the app. Take your time, confirm your backups, and you'll be back in smoothly.